Wishing you all a very happy Merry Christmas. Christmas is a time for joy, Christmas is a time for giving, and Christmas is a time for happiness and celebrations. My hope and my wish for all of you is that you celebrate and you give the Christmas spirit to people around you, to your families, and to yourself. The year gone by has been a tough year for all of us. With COVID-19, it has caused tremendous amount of stress, has caused tremendous amount of problems, and has changed life for good. Let this year, let COVID pass by, and let this year take a pledge that we will bring happiness, we'll spread joy, and that we will celebrate. So with that, a very happy Merry Christmas to all of you. Ho, ho, ho. Great seeing you. Namaste.